In Stage 5, we learn to recognize the plural forms of Latin nouns. In English, the plural of a noun is usually formed by adding the letter S. But there are many exceptions to this rule. There are even words that don't change at all. All these exceptions can get confusing. In Latin, there are a few more rules, but there are no exceptions to be memorized. As we've already seen, Latin nouns belong to different categories, which we call declensions. There are 5 in all. We've met the first 3. Each of these declensions has its own accusative singular ending. Similarly, each one has its own way of forming the nominative plural. The names of each of our characters belong to one of these 3 declensions. Una metella, duae metellae. Unus caecilius, tres caecilii. Unus grumio, quatuor grumiones. The verbs that agree with these plural noun forms will always end with the same 2 letters, nt. Feminae in theatro sunt. Servi in agro laborant. Canes in via latrant. We still follow these Latin rules when forming the plural of words that come directly into English from Latin or Greek. Words like antenna, fungus, axis. Let's see if you can do it. In the comments section, give me the plural forms of the following 3 words. As you can see, there's one for each declension. That's all for now. Don't forget to study for the Stage 5 test on Monday.